So you don't like selling? Well, I have a treat for you. Nathan actually shared his way to $1 million online.
$1 million.
Shared, not sold. So in today's video, we're going to show you exactly how he did that. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and in this video, I get the pleasure of introducing you to my good friend Nathan Lucas from Freedom Influencer here on YouTube. He has over 360,000 subscribers, so he's doing very well on YouTube. And over the last year, he shared his way to $1 million in commission. He didn't sell anything. He shared his way to that. So I'm excited to help you guys understand, how do you do that? How do you make commissions? How do you make money online without actually selling? So Nathan, how did you do that?
How did you do that?
So for those of you who don't know, of something called affiliate marketing. And basically, it's the idea of promoting someone else's product. And most people don't even understand that big box name stores like Home Depot, Best Buy, and Amazon all have affiliate programs. Basically, they're offering to pay you as an affiliate to promote their products. So basically, let's just say that you're recommending something. You have a product that you really like, and you would actually recommend this to even say a family member. So the idea would be, instead of telling them, hey, I bought this, I really like this product, you can go get it on Amazon or Best Buy or wherever. You actually get a link where they click over to it and it's coded to you. And if they make a purchase for that, then you get commissions. So they're willing to pay you to bring them a new customer. So that's the idea of what we're talking about here.
And I think that's important. Ask yourself, because I know personally, I don't know how many times I've either told a girlfriend about something that I just bought and I love, and then she goes out and gets it, or vice versa, where a girlfriend tells me something that she bought and she just raves about it. She's not making any money off of it, but she tells me how great it is. I'm like, oh, okay, I'm gonna go try it. And then I go buy it. That's affiliate marketing, but they track it, right? And you get paid for it, which is fabulous. So the selling and everything is handled by the company, right?
Yes. So whatever company it is that is actually selling the product, they handle all the sales process, they handle customer support. Anything that happens after you promote the product is all handled by the actual company, which means I don't have to do any type of selling, which is really cool.
That's great.
It's really cool. Yeah, selling, especially when you're getting started, it's a whole skill set in of itself. I mean, that's a lot to take on if you just want to get started and start making money. Affiliate marketing is a great way where you can just focus on building your audience and learning how to drive traffic somewhere, sending people to something. That's all you have to do to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing versus learning how to sell, dealing with customer service and fulfilling on that product and everything else. I can go into that. It's about the simplest business model that you can get.
Yeah, and I personally love it, not just because of the amount of money that I've been able to make with it, but because it takes away a lot of the headache. So I know that a lot of people want to start an online business, which there's so many different ways that you can start an online business, but a lot of different methods of building an internet business or selling something online requires just that, selling. And it requires skill sets to develop over time. Whereas with affiliate marketing, in my personal experience with it, has been all I had to do was learn how to create content that would then direct people to products that I recommend. And learning that skill set in and of itself, it's required to grow any business.
Right.
But it took away the headache of having to learn how to sell, which I didn't want to do anyways. I'm not a salesman. I never want to be.
Never.
And being an affiliate marketer has been great because I've never had to do it.
That's fabulous. And I think even if you have this idea of these digital products you want to create or these masterminds you want to hold or whatever you want to do in your business, for so many people, easiest way to get started on that path is with affiliate marketing. So you want to think of that same audience and what kind of offers are already out there that serves them in the marketplace that you can just send them to, refer them to right off the bat. So you can work on growing your audience. You can work on learning how to create content, driving people off to a link somewhere. You can focus on that part.
Focus everything on that area.
Start getting the income coming in, and then when you are at the point where you're able to create your own stuff to sell, right? When you're ready to take that next step and start learning how to sell, you already have money coming in that you can use to put towards that, and you have an active, engaged audience who's likely to be interested in making that purchase.
Yeah. So one of the things when it comes to, because I know a lot of people want to know, okay, well, what do I do? What is the thing that I have to focus on in order to start doing this? Whether it be, maybe you don't want to do affiliate marketing, you actually want to start your business. Like we talked about before, it doesn't matter what type of business that you want to grow. There's one thing that's required in order to grow any business, and that's what we call traffic. all right? And that is simply the idea of people coming to your website or someone else's website if you're an affiliate marketer. So even if you do, even though we're talking about this saying it's the easiest way to get started, which I absolutely believe that wholeheartedly, you still have to understand that you have to get people to a specific place to make a purchase. And a lot of people struggle with that when they're starting out because they hear that it's the easiest way. Okay, well, I'll just do affiliate marketing, but they don't fully understand the concept that you still have to learn how to drive traffic. And you do that by content creation and getting good at creating content that attracts your ideal customer or someone else's customer if you're an affiliate marketer.
Absolutely. And so when you're creating content, say you're doing a blog post or a YouTube video and you have a CTA or a call to action, you want to send them off to an affiliate link. How do you frame that in a way that gets them to take that action?
Sure. So I'll just explain a little bit about the content I create and then also the process of generating leads, which kind of goes into a whole nother skill set, but I think it's relevant to talk about it now.
How very, very relevant.
And that is, so let's just start with a piece of content. So we create, let's just say, a YouTube video just like this one. And you have to understand, almost reverse engineer the whole process. So let's say that you pick out a product that you want to sell as an affiliate marketer. For this example, we'll just say that it's a camera, right? So you know that this camera, whatever it may be, costs a couple $1,000s. You know you can make a few $100 on a commission with this product. So now you understand, okay, I have a product to promote. I'm going to use this. I know that I have a product to promote. Now, based on what I'm selling, now I'm going to frame the content that I'm creating. So an example would be coming up with different tips and tricks that people can use on how to use that camera, or even more specific, because that would be kind of geared towards people who own the camera already, but maybe a comparison or best features of that camera, just as an example. So now I'm creating content where I know people who are thinking about buying this camera, they're looking into content that can help them understand this. So that's where you as an affiliate marketer educate people on something, you help them, you give them valuable information, and then you direct them from that piece of content off whatever platform it be, whether it be a blog or a YouTube video or whatever, off of that platform to then what I recommend to generate a lead. So in this case, for this example, the top 10 tricks to use that most people don't know about that specific camera. And you're going to give it away maybe as a free PDF download. And then you start generating leads. So now I know I'm generating leads for people who are interested in photography and specifically that camera. I'm generating an audience via email, and then I can also redirect them to go purchase it, let's just say on Amazon.
Right, and plus if you're generating that lead, now you can have a whole email follow-up series to make sure that you're still pinging them, because maybe the kids distracted them, they were going to buy it, but then the kids got, distracted them or whatever, and they did something else, and you're giving them more opportunity to come back and make that purchase later, because you can continue to market to them over and over again once you've captured that lead.
Yes. Another thing it's super important when it comes to the idea of building an email list is now, so maybe someone did buy it. Maybe they bought it and you made a commission. But what's cool because you've built an email list is you don't have to stop there.
Oh, don't stop.
You can promote other products to them. So let's just say, they might need a microphone or a flash. You also know of really good products that you can promote as an affiliate, and then continue to promote more things to them that they will get value from and you can make commissions from, which is super powerful.
That is awesome. Now, as you heard, Nathan has a massive YouTube channel, 360,000 subscribers. And so he really knows how to rock YouTube. And that's been a huge part of his success, in being able to create his content and be able to put his offer out there in front of people. So if you want to learn how he did that, how did he get such a massive following on YouTube, guess what? We have a video for that. So next thing you want to watch, in the upper right corner of your screen or at the top link of the description, click on that, watch that one next, where Nathan is going to walk you through how he's grown such a massive, beautiful YouTube channel so that you can get started towards your own wonderful YouTube channel that can help you build that affiliate marketing or whatever kind of digital business that you are working towards. Again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com. Thank you for your time. We really appreciate it as always.
Yes, thanks for having me on.
And we'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.